Hey, are you tired of moving your camera from one place to another? Today, I'll be showing you a cameraman that you don't need to. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. It's an honor to be here today. Anyways, my name is Chinwe. I'm a lifestyle family food vlogger, yes, and today I'll be unboxing with you guys. Like, isn't that great? Unboxing. So do you need a cameraman? I got you one. You don't need to worry, I got you one. So let's unbox this together. So guys, over here is a parcel I just received from the courier this morning. Yes, so I want to unbox this beautiful piece for you guys to see. In here I have the Pivo. All right, let's unbox this together, guys. So I'm just gonna open this. Oh, I'm using a kitchen knife to open up. Yes, actually didn't want to open it up. I was so excited to receive it, but I thought it's wise to open it with you guys, you know. Let me set this camera. So in here I got the smart mount, the Pivo smart mount. Here, smartphone adjustable holder. Yeah, I don't know what this is. And this is the Pivo tripod. The Pivo tripod. All right. Oh my God! And here we have the Pivo. So let me just open it up and see what we have inside, guys. Oh yeah, so actually they have two types of Pivo. They have the Pivo, the one with the red. I think that's a Pivo red, and this is a Pivo silver, which they say it's more faster. So I don't know until I try it out and see. So I got the Pivo, though extra few more dollars, but it's not heavy. It's quite okay. Here you are. Here you are, the Pivo. And here we have the Pivo USB. And here is the Pivo remote, the remote control. Here. And this is really, really beautiful. And in here they have a quick guide, a quick starter guide for new users like me, of course. All right, so that's all I have inside the box for the Pivo. So I will just check out this one. Check this out and see what's inside. Oh yeah. Okay, this is the smart mount. It's quite a bit heavy because this looks like I think this is a steel, and here you can, okay, it rotates and all that here for the rotation. And let's look at the tripod stand now. So this is how the tripod stand looks like, and it's boldly written Pivo. And I saw this two stuff inside. I don't know. So quick one, what this actually does is it turns your phone into a cameraman. It tells you, like, it's very smart, like it catches all your movements. That is, but it doesn't just work that way. That is after you have installed the Pivo app on your phone. So when you have the app on your phone, you'll be able to do a lot of things, okay, with it. And you connect it, and that's all. You mount it. So I'm going to show you guys in a bit what this does, okay? So don't go nowhere, just keep. So guys, welcome back. I went ahead and actually did the settings and all that, but I couldn't show you guys, but it's all written in the quick starter guide, okay? Quick start guide for new users like me, okay? So if you haven't gotten this already, I think you should go get it, because this is super good. So I'll show you guys quick one what this does actually, you know. So now I've already done the settings and I've installed the app on my phone, okay? Then I connected via Bluetooth, and now watch this. You see it's actually moving with me. So it has a face tracker. It will move with you. You go like this, it does. Can you see that? So what this does actually, it serves as your cameraman. It does everything for you. You really don't need to bother yourself. This does all the work. It doesn't just end here. It has other features that you can utilize in Pivo. I mean, you can do so many videos, like a 3-time quick videos and all that. Then the one thing I like about it also is a 360 rotation. It rotates, like it captures all your movement. Like for example, if you're doing a cooking video or something, maybe you want to make a cooking video and you mount this, it follows you like everywhere. It tracks your body, your face and everything, and gives you what you want, like a perfect definition of a cameraman. What more do you want? This is super amazing. Guys, can you see what I'm seeing? Oh my god, this is beautiful, like beautiful. I love it. I love it. Though I cannot give any credit now, but I've been seeing people using it, so I decided to try it out, and this is super good. Yeah. So guys, I don't know what else to say about these, but I think it really does serve me for what I want, and it's really good for me. Yeah, I think so. So for example, if I want to showcase something like this and I want to move around and do like this, it goes with you, goes like this, it goes with you. This is super good. Like, wow, technology, wow, this is good. So guys, if you want to get this, you just go down to their description box and you're gonna see a link there. Just click it and right away it takes you to Pivo. Yeah, go get Pivo and you can get it. And I actually got this Pivo phones, yeah, $259 or 250, yeah, $259, yes. And I got a discount of 7%, yes. So but if you want to get just the Pivo, because you can use just the Pivo, you just put it on your table and it does the job for you as well. Yeah, you don't need to buy the tripod if you don't want to buy it. Yeah, you can just buy just this Pivo, and it's about I think about 150 something. Yeah, 150 something thereabout. And the red one is 109. I think this, you know, this is 139 and the red is $109. Yeah. So why I actually went for the silver Pivo was because they said it's 2x faster than the red one, so I wanted something more upgraded. That was why I haven't used that before, but I decided to get this one since it's 2x faster in tracking and all that. So let me just place it here so you guys can see again. You see it goes like Yeah, so that's it guys. So I'll show you one more clip of it when I make it. So as you guys can see, when I walk towards this end, it turns. When I walk towards this way end, it turns with me. Okay, so what this does is actually it rotates 360. Okay, 360, and it captures every of your movement. You cannot just do this alone with Pivo. You can do a whole lot of things with Pivo, of which I can't be explaining them because I do not want this video to be very long. But I think, to me, I think is a must buy. Okay, a must buy. That's what I think here. It doesn't, but you can see with what you're seeing already, you know what I mean. So it's a must buy. So this does actually the work, and this can do a whole lot of things as well. The Pivo itself, you can place your product. If you're buying the full set of the Pivo, you can place your product. They have another like a tray that you can place on this Pivo, and you can place maybe, and it has a mini studio. You can place your product on it and showcase here, and shoot the video and also showcase it to your Instagram or something. Yeah, so I'm gonna wrap up this video here, and I want to urge you guys, if you think you need something like this and not to buy and toss it maybe after 1 or 2 use, so you don't need it, so please think about it properly before considering spending your money, because I think it's a whole lot of money. Yeah, it's a whole lot of money to spend to get this and not use it frequently. So I think I need this personally for my business. Yes. All right guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and support us. God bless you.